Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can delete or remove a customer in Zoho Books. This is useful for keeping your customer list clean and up to date. So make sure that you have the full version to access all of the features. So once you're on your Zoho Books dashboard, head over to your customers. So it should be under the sales section. Just go ahead and click customers. And once you're here, you will basically just uh, click the customer that you would want to remove. So check this checkbox, and what you will have to do is click this three dots button right here, and then you will just have to click delete, and then of course to confirm the deletion you will just have to click delete again. And as you can see, so you do have to make sure that the transactions have been recorded for these contacts, hence they cannot be deleted. So yeah, you do have to make sure that first before deleting that customer. So yeah, that's basically just it, and I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.